channel rolling here, guys, and today we're going to be talking about the Crosley Bluetooth speaker that I did a giveaway video on a few months back. We were going to be giving it away when we would hit 100 subscribers, which we did. Thank you very much to all of you folks that have subscribed and liked and helping me out with the algorithm. Today, I'm going to give a quick breakdown of the speaker, and I'm also going to announce who won the speaker. This is the Crosley CR3028 Alpha-HA. Let me see if I got that right. -HA, yes, right. It is the one that has the copper sort of finishing on it, tweed cloth fiber covering, and then the cool little metal grill. It has two 2.5-inch little woofers inside there that create the sound. It's a Bluetooth connectivity. It has a 2000 milliamp battery built into it, which means that it is capable of running no wires. So first, for all you folks out there that had said, that commented, or I've seen it on plenty of websites saying that it is not wireless, it is wireless. There's no wires connected. Look at that. Woohoo! No wires anywhere connected to the speaker. And we're gonna play some music here off of the old laptop. There you go. It's my jam. Anyways, the speaker is playing of its own volition. And just in case you folks think that this is all being made up, just real quick, look at this. It is a simple little IKEA light that works off of battery, and ta-da! It's running off of the speaker. You can use this speaker to power up and charge your cell phone or electronic device with the small little USB plug right there. Just run your USB wire to that plug and then back to your phone or whatever it is. It also has auxiliary input and a headphone jack input, and then of course it does have the DC charging capability, so you can plug it into the wall. That way it can recharge the battery that's built into it. The sound is pretty decent. It's got a decent build quality. It's not too heavy. It weighs about 3.5 pounds or so, and it is just a basic, simple Bluetooth speaker that is made to really just look good on a shelf. That in the background there. It's not going to have the most amazing sound. If you're going to compare it to something like a JBL Charge, which has, you know, the subs on the either side, it's not going to beat that. But what it is going to do is just provide really decent sound for what it is. And it is a piece of artwork, if you will. It looks really great on a shelf, and it does sound pretty decent. So if you're gonna have a group of guests over to your apartment or your house, you don't need a huge blaring stereo, you're just gonna have some background music and you want something that looks decent on a shelf, this is a great option for you. And at 45 to 55 bucks at Nordstrom Rack, I've seen it at TJ Maxx, I've also seen it on eBay. You can get it for a fairly decent deal, and you don't break the bank. Have something that looks cool, and it is wireless, and then when you're done with it, or if you drop it or break it or destroy it or use the heck out of it to where it's no good anymore, you've only spent 40 or 50 bucks, not $100 on something like a JBL Bluetooth speaker. So there you go. Crosley Bluetooth speaker CR3028 Alpha-HA. And the final part about this little quick review and recap is that the grand winner was Meredith Gosnell. Meredith Gosnell. And I'm going to be reaching out to you to contact you to let you know that you've won the speaker so I can ship it to you free of charge. That's right, you're not going to pay jack. You're getting the speaker free of charge. And I hope you enjoy it. For all you other folks out there, if you're looking for the speaker, I'll see if I can put a couple of links in the description so you can buy one. Like I said, it is very well built. I've been tinkering around with it for a while. It looks great on a shelf. It sounds decent, and overall, I dig it. Quality is great. Let me know if you have any questions or comments about it below in the comment section. If you want to see the original review, I believe that will be up here or over here or somewhere like that in the video. You can just click on that. And other than that, I hope you guys have a great day and enjoy the week, and I will see you guys in the next video. Please like and subscribe so that way you can help me build my channel up, and thank you for all of the likes and subscribes and comments that you've already made. I try to respond to everybody as much as possible. Take care, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. The giveaway was going to be given to them, blah, 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 blah. Rolling here, and thanks for joining me. Wow, now.